true. It certainly does. It certainly does. Take it out. Okay. Take this in here. I'm afraid of the damn. I just love to see a date code on this thing that says like 2008. It's the year the machine was built. Yeah, 2008. Huh?
Listen. Gonna turn again? No.
Need to get that goddamn embroidered, that damn, what do you call it? Bought. Silk screen machine bought. Send her and Haley down to the company down there. Oh no, she'll go. She's more than happy. Yeah, she's more than happy to go do that. On silk screening. Haley's an introvert. She ain't gonna.
Something. She won't. You
I'm sure. She can't go get her driver's license.
No.
What did you do? Oh, the joystick.
Yeah, here, camera girl. It's going to be. It's running. Hold on a second.
Oh, it's running.
Alrighty. Just tearing this thing apart here. I was under a terrible suspicion that this axis had not been replaced, and I was correct. It was made in 08, which is the year manufactured for the skid steer. I may have to make an apology to the people that put it in there, because it turns out that they were supposed to have replaced the other side, not the right side, but the left side. And I always thought it was the right side axis. I don't know why, but I'm going to have to take the other side apart just to triple check, because I'm not 100% convinced that that was the case, that they had replaced the left side. But I looked at my old video and I can't see what it says, but the part numbers on the video they indicate a different side. So I will definitely be looking into that before I go ahead and slam these people for not replacing this axis, and it is definitely old. The new one is very different. It has a plastic base instead of the full aluminum base, and I don't know, this is just very frustrating. And You know, when you spend $1,040 on a new handle and you find out that the one that's in there that was you thought was supposed to be replaced was never replaced, which kind of gives you doubt, which will lead you to what happens next. There's artifacts there.
Oh, yeah.
Artifacts. Diligently putting together my joystick. $5 says it works.
$5 says if it doesn't work, yes.
No, I'll just call up Deer Country. I'm not calling them assholes up to do it. Get them calibrated or whatever the hell it is. There is a diagnostic port there. So Essex comes on as I'm doing this thing, and he's like, "That's a risk." What did he write? I gotta say it. I can be on film too because I thought it was kind of funny.
Lasky, get over here.
How was this? Let's see. We don't need to do that, but Y-axis part 2. Can't have advertising on my channel other than mine. This is the time to be calling your dealer. You're going to spend huge money on a stick, and you don't know that it's the problem. It's an electrical component, so generally it's non-returnable. Seems like a significant risk to take to me. Significant risk. So I replied, life is about taking risks. I do it every day. That's why I wear the title Farmer.
Is that what you said?
All right, I'll give you a thumbs up for that. That was Essex. Yeah, I thought it was funny. But at some point, Wes, unless you can do without the machine, just fix it on a rainy day. Well, look at this. It's rainy. Right? It wasn't supposed to be rainy. It just kind of turned into one.
Was that a burp?
That was not a burp.
Oh.
That was a bunch of gas being released at a high rate of speed from my gut. Right?
You funny.
That's what it was.
What it is.
Make sure I put it together properly. So
Yeah,
that I
make
don't
sure
go
you put it
backwards.
together properly.
I wouldn't want. Oh,
Oh, wrong button.
no. Hey, you're
Grant
just.
got in trouble for that.
What did Grant do?
Well, the time he belched, and I says, gas come out and make noise, right? So he went to school and he belched, and he says, gas come out, make noise. And the teacher gave him hell.
Oh.
Yes.
Who taught you that?
My grandfather.
My grandfather. And the teacher
Didn't like that?
didn't like it.
Wow.
I don't know any grandfather that would be. It's just, my grandfather did. You know, he stuck his ground.
Yeah, that would piss me off, to be honest with you.
Kind of did. Gas come out, make noise.
Teachers can be total assholes, you know.
They can be. Most of the time, yeah.
I'm gonna post that. Because most of the time they are. Yeah, it's just a fact of life. Teachers can be assholes, and most of the time they are. I'm sure my young viewing audience may or may not agree with me, but I'm betting that they would. Hey, One Lonely Farmer said most teachers are assholes. Actually, I think administrators have taken up the role of asshole more than anything.
Necessary to keep your job. Without that, they wouldn't have a job.
Administrators. Well, Teresa, do you want to test it? You my test dummy today?
I'm your test dummy
You
today.
ever see those test dummies?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think they use those in the
We have
Philippines, too,
those.
didn't they?
Yep.
Well,
Here we go.
watch your head, because
Let me get out of the way.
I don't think you need to. Boom. Quick and easy. Hey, 18 hours later. That's what really burns my biscuits. I'll tell you what.
18-hour labor.
18 hours of labor. The other side on. Here's the hitch pin.
We're going down Interstate 99. The other before Labor Day. Out in the middle of the road. It was a hitch pin. Laid out in the middle of the road. Jumping George would have jumped on.
I was gonna say George will grab it.
Across from Salzburg. You're not missing a brass hammer, are you, by any chance?
I think so.
Well,
A what?
Brass hammer across from Salzburg. When I went in with a hay rake yesterday.
Really?
Yeah.
I might have laid it somewhere and forgot about it.
Well,
I'll have to go over there. Oh, if it's brass.